You are going to love the 2017 ILX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light. Come see the car for yourself.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura.